Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour Ascot grey. Taking a look at some more of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Right on the bottom of the front bumper we'll also find a lower front splitter finished in a high gloss black colour. The vehicle sits on a set of 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels which come in a bronze colour and complement the Ascot grey paintwork very nicely. Up top we'll find a set of black roof rails, and on the tailgate we'll find a rear roof spoiler also finished in black. The vehicle comes with a heated rear window, and helping you park and manoeuvre located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area, we have a very large amount of storage space here. There's a rubber floor covering as well as a few lashing points. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding doors. In the back there is a 3-seater bench finished in a mesh leatherette and comes with ISOFIX points. There's a bulkhead behind the rear passenger seats, and up front in the driver's cab area we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. Like the rear seats, these are also finished in the mesh leatherette, providing added comfort on those longer journeys. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations as well as connect your phone using the App Connect feature. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.